Yeah, so just before we get the tent pitched, I just want to take this opportunity to thank Tona. You know who you are, honestly. Thank you. Like, you've literally allowed me to come wild camping. So after Tony seeing my tent snapped in the Lake District, he was quick to comment on my video, saying he's got a tent. Dropped me your email. I dropped him his email. He emailed me straight away, saying I've got a tent I want to send you. No shipping cost. I don't want any money for it. So yeah, honestly, Tony, like, just little acts of kindness like that. You're the kind of people that makes people realise there's still a lot of kindness in this world. So yeah, you've just allowed me to come out, still do what I love, and I'll be forever grateful to you. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wait, what? That's his Taji 2. No, I've just put the 10 in the Taji 2 bag. I really like these free FUL Taji bags. Just super easy. The rain's just started, so I'm gonna try and be quick. This is also an inner pitch temp first, so if we're not quick, the inner tent will get saturated. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, that's rolling in now. Where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? There. Okay. See, this is the problem with an inner pitch first. You just don't know when that weather's going to come in. Let's get that over the top. And the tent, the tent's flooded. It's actually so saturated. Oh my God. Wow. It is so wet. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my waterproofs off. Leave them in the vestibule. And then I'm going to get my sponge. I'm going to try and mop up as much of this water as I can with a sponge and keep wringing it out. And then I'm going to actually use my head buff. It's absolutely saturated anyway, so it's more like, that's more like a towel as well, so it should dry up quite a lot of that. Blowing a proper hoolie out there. I'm waiting for a little break in the rain so I can go out and just tighten everything up. So as you can see down here, it's just collecting water there in the corner. It's just because of not tightening it. My main priority was getting everything inside the tent and to cover the inner up to stop it getting more wet. I've just spent the last 20 minutes going around with that, just wiping everything up and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to show you the real harsh reality of wild camping in winter in the UK. You're going to want to stick around because it's not every wild camping video you see this. I'm going to show you the real struggles of wild camping and what it's actually like. And that rain sounds just beautiful though. Oh my God, it excites me. Yeah, so that rain's really bad now. Absolutely battering the tent. That wind's actually picking up as well. We forecast about 25-30 mile per hour winds tonight, so it should be a really good test for the tent as well. Like I said, I have just got to go out when there's a little break in the rain, tighten things up, and yeah, I think I'll open the vents as well, just to promote a bit of airflow through the tent. As you can see, I've actually got both doors open as well on either side, just to create a bit of airflow coming through so it dries the floor eventually. It's mad how the rain can just stop like that, just all of a sudden. There's still a bit of rain and moisture in the air, but not half as much as there was. So we want to tighten. Nice and taut like that. Delightful. We don't want to get too wet because we're in our camp jacket. Right, that's going to have to be rough. Right, let's get back in. We don't want to get soaked when we've not got our waterproofs on. Oh, God. That is the reality as well. Camping in winter, like, you can go out and it's not raining, and just in the blink of an eye, it just starts coming down heavy again. Time for a brew. Warm the insides up a little bit. I'm pretty confident as well. That did not sound confident. I'm pretty confident there's enough airflow coming through this tent to just leave a little gap at the bottom of the door and we'll be fine. Oh yes, just what the doctor ordered. It's just a morale booster straight away. When you're camping and you've been in the elements like that and you get caught in a rainstorm and everything's soaked and everything feels like it's going against you, got a little stick in it. Yeah, when everything feels like it's going against you, just get a brew on. Just get a brew on, sip a coffee or tea, just boost the morale. How can you come camping and not have a chocolate digestive? Not only that, dipped in your brew. Most of that moisture. Yeah, so I just started putting my sleeping bag in just a carrier bag. Saves buying dry bags, just so much easier. Everyone has everyone has carrier bags at home, right? Yeah, it's just so much easier. Yeah, I think I'm going to take my boots off. I'm going to actually use my sleeping bag in the bag just for a pillow for now. Yeah, don't need to get my sleeping bag out yet. I'm actually getting quite peckish now, so I'm going to have something to eat. 2 packs of curry noodles with some bams or whatever it's called where you're from. Different everywhere, innit? So one place it can be a muffin, a bam, what are the other ones? Bread cake. So I have brought There's my head torch, I need that. I think 1 pack might be enough, you know. Do you know what? I'm gonna have 1 pack for now. If I get hungry later, I've got more. And then bit more than a little bit of water. Yeah, so I've just opened the door, letting a bit of airflow. I don't even like taking a risk, to be honest. I'd rather get wet for 5 minutes and take the risk and yeah, just not open your door and pass out and not wake up. Oh. Alright, calm down. That's making me paranoid. Right, we're gonna give these. Oh, they smell banging. I was born to do this. Yeah, let me know down below in the comments what's your go-to meal for. I wouldn't say super noodles are my go-to meal, but they are very, very convenient and easy. Just so easy. Couple of bams or wraps, pack of super noodles, can't go wrong. Couple of chalky digestives. Like, literally, that is... Like, who doesn't like noodles in a chalky digestive with a bro? There's the view we're working with. Just very, bit clagged out at the minute. They're done enough for me. So I'm just going to put them there. I'm going to... Does that sit on top of there? Oh my God. It's like it's meant to be. Look at that. It's just fit perfectly on top of it just to hydrate them a little bit more. Make sure when you've got a stove on top of your gas as well, never just stand it up in your vestibule like that, because if a big gust of wind comes in the middle of the night, one of them are going to rip your finger. So I always lie it down or take the stove off. But we'll be making more food and a brew and stuff like that, so taking it off's not always the best option. Wait, will the back of the spoon work as a knife? No. I thought it was like coming up with a proper genius idea then. Clearly not. It's just going to have to be a rip job. Absolutely sexual. A pot noodle balm. It's not a pot noodle. A super noodle balm, sorry. That is just proper climactic. Wait. Is there a word for like plural, more than one climax? Climaxes. Oh, climaxes. Wow, that was weird. That. Let's have a taste then. Oh yeah. Oh, that's proper good. That's really good. wow. Oh my god, I needed that. Oh, I just threw up in my mouth, that was weird. Three of these as well, like they've not stuck to the bottom of the pan. They've not stuck to the bottom of the pan at all. Which makes it super easy to clean as well. Yeah, this is definitely the hardest bit about winter wild camping. The amount of time in your tent. Like, it really is a long time. What time are we on now? Let's have a look. It's only 4:20 in the afternoon. Just starting to go dark.
Is this? Okay, I've got everything I need in here. I've even got like a cup of coffee. I got my fuel. I've got a spoon. Everything's in here. My little stove. Now I didn't bring a lighter, but it would fit in.
See, I've never done that, mate. I've never done that. I've never had a cook kit where I've got everything in it. Such good banter in this new Paul Messner video.
Everything I need. Brilliant. And it wouldn't be possible if I folded spoon. So you're wrong.
This rain has been coming down now persistently for what time are we on? Like 2.5, 3 hours. Like, it is literally not stopped at all. I want to go out and kind of like stretch my legs a little bit, but then again, when you come winter camping in the UK, you know what you're getting yourself in for. You can be in up to 18 hours sometimes. It's mad, innit? Because it's like, depending on how you look at it, it can be like a mental battle as well. Because you are on your own for, hours. And it like goes dark early as well, yet you've still got to wait for a reasonable bedtime time. So, right, this will be the first proper break we've had in the rain. Whew. That head torch needs to go brighter. I'd really love to sit outside and make a brew and stuff like that, but it's just unnecessary, really. It's just unnecessary, especially in this type of weather. Like, I can feel the cold. As soon as you come out, you can just feel that blistering cold. You can see the pitch there. It's a beautiful pitch. Gorgeous looking tent as well. I don't think, up until I got sent this tent, I don't actually think I've took a look at this tent. I do love the design and shape of it though. It's really just clean. Look at the beading on it as well. Really good. Right, the rain's starting again, so we're going to get back in. And don't forget our water. Let's get back in. Right, get them boots off. My boots are going to go here. Because why not? Yeah, I think it's important to just got to keep try and maintain them levels of warmth, if you like. You can kind of hear it in my voice. I'm feeling the cold a little bit now. And that's all it takes. And when you're camping in winter as well, once you're cold. Very hard to get warm again, so Oh, yes. Bring it closer so you can see. Not that you want to see me, but, you know. Right, that's me off to sleep anyway. I've had a hot drink, I've had some hot food. If anything happens through the night, I'll bring you back. But if not, I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Morning. Morning. Can you see me or is my lungs like... It's cold, innit? Yeah, the temperature got down last night. I actually got out for a wee. I can't remember what time it was. Like 11 o'clock or something. And it was cold. Yeah, really cold. Yeah, the rain stopped at about 11 as well. The rain stopped at about 11. I don't think it's rained since. Oh, yes. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Look at that, what a morning. Look at the ripples in the sky up there from the clouds. It almost has like a little ripple effect. Absolutely beautiful. I think we're going to get a nice sunrise. Just put that in the vestibule so it don't get in the way. Nearly knocked my bro over. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Do you know what? I haven't had a proper sunset or sunrise for a while now. When we're out camping, so it's nice to be finally rewarded. Grab me brew. Enjoy a brew. Yeah, how the weather was last night to how it is now. Wow. Night and day. I'm actually just looking at a train coming in. So that'll be coming from Hope into Edale. Never named you. Wow. Come on. Do it. Do it now. Yeah, so sometimes when you're camping on air as well, so obviously I'm raised up. I'm not right on the tops. I'm probably about 300 meters up. But sometimes you will actually get cloud inversions here as well. So if I look over there, where the road is coming through Mamtor, there's a little bit of cloud just sat on the hill. Yeah, that sunset's just getting more. It's had so many different stages to it as well. So earlier on, before when I said about the ripples in the clouds, all them ripples went pink, and then now that pink's gone, and the sun's actually just about to poke its head up over Win Hill there. So you can see Win Hill over there. It's the highest peak you can see. And I love how you can just see the silhouette. I love that. I always have. I think it's so artistic and beautiful. As you can see, it is a little bit cloudy, but I'm hoping for a little break in the cloud just so we can just see that sun, but I'm not sure we're going to get it. I just thought I'd share a couple of thoughts on what I think about the tent and stuff like that. Like, I really like it. Them winds got up to about 25, 30 mile per hour last night, and especially, yeah, and it stood up. It didn't budge. Tony, who sent me the tent, thank you again, Tony, if you're watching this. He did mention that in the email. He said it's pretty good in the wind. If anyone's got one of these OEX Raccoon 2.1 tents, let me know in the comments what you think about it. What kind of experiences have you had in it as well? Yeah, I like it. The only thing I'm not keen on is the doubles, the inner pitch first, and then you got to pitch the outer. I just getting caught out in the rain like that, just yeah, absolute nightmare. I've had to wet my head both to dry the tent out and stuff. It's completely dry inside now, but still, I just don't think I'm used to one of them tents. So when I first started wild camping about 4 years ago, I actually had an inner pitch first, and I got rid of it for that reason, because every time I'd go up on Kinder Scout, I'd get caught in a rainstorm, and it just, the morale just, honestly. But yeah, really like it. Really strong, durable, plenty of peg out points. Yeah, so I was really comfortable in there last night. Like, I had no worries at all. I didn't for 1 second think it was going to collapse in on me or anything like that. Toasty warm as well. With the inner of this tent as well, you do have the option, so it's got like a flap you can undo that turns it to mesh at the top of the door, so nice amount of airflow coming through the tent all night, so the condensation inside is very, very minimal. I can look at this two ways. I can stand here and lie and say this tent's perfect. I got it for free. Someone out the kindness of their heart sent it me for free, and for that reason I'll say everything perfect about it, but that'd be lying, and I don't lie. So it's just like these toggles as well, so the little eyelets that the poles go into, I think they're a faff as well. Like, so there's eyelets on the inner and there's eyelets on the outer, so you pitch the inner and then you have to take the outlet, the eyelet out of the inner to put it back in the inner and outer together. So yeah, it's just like little things like that. It's just like little, yeah, just little touches like that for me, really. I'm super grateful to you, Tony, honestly. Like, I don't think anyone understands the, just, means a lot. It really does. Just the fact you've allowed me to come wild camping again, like in a tent. Try and shake as much water off that as I can. Yeah, so I just want to basically quickly, God, my way with words sometimes frightens me. So yeah, I just want to show you why I like using the free FUL storage sack. So obviously it's not like your traditional tent bag, it is more of a hold all type design, if you like, and I'll show you why. So I'm literally just rolling the tent up. How long did that take to roll that tent up? Probably 30 seconds. Doink. Get it in. Bang. Make sure the guy lines are in there. Got a little Velcro piece at the top. Then I'm going to push most of the air out, roll it up, and then you have these two little clips at the top. Clip them, and that's it. Super simple. It's just like a sack that you can just, on an overnighter especially, you can just roll up your tent, get it in there, and get off the hill. Like, even more so if the weather's coming in or anything like that. It's even better. Get our bag on. Yeah, so I just want to say about leaving no trace in the hills, and I'm not going to do what every YouTuber does and stand there and says, don't leave no trace. I just want you to do me one favour. I want you to go to Google, Gemini, ChatGPT, and just type in what are the leave no trace principles. So there's 7 core principles, and I feel like it just gives you good knowledge of what it's about. And a lot of people think it's just about taking your rubbish home. It's actually a lot more than that. So yeah, I'd ask you to do that if you can. And the reason why I'm saying that is because every time I come to the hills, I just see things, and it just seems to be getting worse. So yeah, I'd appreciate that massively. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say on it. I really, really, really hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed in making it. Like, you know, we've had ups and downs, like getting caught in the rain yesterday, and then finally getting dried off, and the little sunrise this morning, the brews, the food, and the chat with you guys as always. So yeah, honestly, just before we go, Tona, thank you. Like, when I say thank you to you as well, don't just take it as a thank you, like take it as like I'm super grateful. I don't think you realise, because without you actually doing that act of kindness, I wouldn't have actually been able to have got out in the hills today. So yeah, I thank you so much, and yeah, really, really does mean a lot. To everyone else watching, thank you for your support as always. It means the world to me. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And I always mess up, don't I? And if you're not, wait, what? And if you stop, what am I doing? This is the effect the outdoors has on you. Positive, positive, positive. Look at a smile on my face. Should we start that again? Right, we're just going to pretend you didn't see the start bit and do one of these. So please consider subscribing. Shut up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Consider hitting that bell notification as well to be notified when my next video goes live. Yeah, honestly, I thank you so much for watching. It really, really does mean a lot. The fact that we have our own little small community just blows me away. So yeah, thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Right, so I had to come back because I said I didn't say my usual intro, and it really annoyed me. So yeah, bye. No, I can't keep lying. That's stupid. Yeah, honestly, really does mean the world. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.